In this lesson, we are learning the past continuous tense in its negative form. The past continuous is used to describe actions that were happening at a certain time in the past. When we make it negative, we talk about actions that were not happening during that time. The past continuous tense describes an action that was going on at a particular time in the past. For example, when we say, "I was eating dinner at 7 p.m., it shows that the action continued for some time in the past. To make a negative sentence in the past continuous tense, we simply add the word not after the verbs was or were. The structure is subject plus was or were plus not plus a verb ending in ing, for example, I was not eating. In everyday English, we usually use short forms called contractions. Instead of saying I was not, we say I was. Instead of saying they were not, we say they weren't. Contractions make spoken English sound more natural. Here are some examples. I wasn't watching television. They weren't studying yesterday. He wasn't working at 9 p.m. Each sentence shows something that was not happening at a specific time in the past. Let's see how negative sentences are made step by step. She was reading changes to she was not reading. We were playing football changes to we were not playing football. I was cooking dinner changes to I was not cooking dinner. Just remember to insert the word not after was or were. Compare how the meaning changes when we use the negative form. The sentence I was eating dinner means the action was happening, but I wasn't eating dinner means the action was not happening. They were studying becomes they weren't studying, and he was working late becomes he wasn't working late. The difference lies only in adding not after was or were. Now, let's practice making negative sentences. She was reading a book becomes she wasn't reading a book. They were dancing at the party becomes they weren't dancing at the party. I was using the phone becomes I wasn't using the phone. Think about the rule and always place not after was or were to form the negative.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.